Carolina Kids Co-op 4 years ago when the type of education I wanted for my daughter didn't exist. I wanted her to be outdoors. I wanted her to be around amazing people, both kids and adults. I wanted rigorous academics. I wanted arts and electives and foreign language and drama and dance. I couldn't find all of that in one place, so I built it. It has been the best decision I've ever made. My child has found her best friends. I've found my best friends. It's a beautiful community. We are all excited to get ready in the morning and get to co-op. I started this program because I really believe that we need diverse educational opportunities. Kids are not a one-size-fits-all situation. They are unique. Some need to be outside. Some need to move around more. Some need serious academic opportunities. Some need more life skills. What we've done at CKC is put all of that under one roof. We have no roof, and we really put that all in one community. So if you're the artsy kid, if you're the math kid, if you don't know who you are yet, come to CKC.